So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fill up your invite bar on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to fill up your invite bar here in your Monopoly Go, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your friends, which is located in the bottom right corner of your screen. So as you can see there, that is your friends. And then here, you just have to press invite, and then basically you just have to press this invite button and get 10 friends to get this 10, basically 4 awesome rewards, which is actually 5, which is your first. It will be a 20 dice, then a 60 dice, then 100 dices, then 150 dices, and even a special token for you to use, which is Mr. Monopoly itself. So basically all you have to do is also connect this to your Facebook account, so you'll get more invites, more friends, and more reach. Basically, by connecting this to your Facebook account, you can get people to get invited on the Monopoly Go group basically. And there you go guys, that is how you fill up your invite bar on Monopoly Go. It's pretty basic. So all you have to do is go to your friends, and then press invite them manually here by copying the link, or you can connect to Facebook and you can invite them there basically. There you go guys, that is just how you fill up your invite bar on Monopoly Go, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.